In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the recycle bin in both SharePoint and Microsoft Teams so you never lose a document again. So the first example we'll look at is inside Microsoft SharePoint. So I'm inside my intranet. I'm going to go first into a communication site. So you've got two types of sites in SharePoint, your communication and your team sites. So communication site, this is generally where you'll store resources that you can reuse and you can share with wide audiences across the organization. So I might have some documents inside this library. Now because it's SharePoint, I might be sharing these documents with other people who can also edit these documents. Now if me or somebody else in my team was to accidentally delete a document, that would actually go into the SharePoint Recycle bin. Now I can see it says it here, but if I can't see that alert anywhere and I'm looking for that document, I can always go to the Settings button in the top right, and I can go to Site Contents. On this page here, you'll see the Recycle bin in the top right. If I click on that and go to the Recycle bin page, I can see my document is inside this library. Now it's in the recycle bin for 93 days in total. It might just be in this recycle bin, but of course there is a delete button in this recycle bin. So what happens if somebody, maybe not yourself, deletes it from the recycle bin itself? Well, actually then at that point, if I just delete this document from the recycle bin, it will actually go into this second stage recycle bin. Now you might not have access to that recycle bin. You might need your IT admin, but it's another way to catch those documents and to restore them back to their original location. Now this time let's look at a team site. So I'm going to go into the engineering team and into my general channel. Now if a document is deleted from here with inside SharePoint by either myself or a colleague, it will again go into the recycle bin and you can access it in exactly the same way by going to Site Contents, Recycle bin and restoring it from this location. However, what if you're working inside Microsoft Teams? So I'm in exactly the same channel but with inside Microsoft Teams. So I'm in my engineering team, the general channel. I'm going to my shared tab. You'll see these are the same documents that we saw inside SharePoint. Now, if I was to delete the safety policy from here, it would still go into the recycle bin in SharePoint in the background, but it's not always obvious where that is. So a really quick and easy way to get to that recycle bin is to press the three dots here and go to Open in SharePoint. That will take me back to the same location in SharePoint. I can then quite easily go to Site Contents, go into the recycle bin, and I can restore my safety policy from that recycle bin. So that's given you a really good overview of how easily you can access the recycle bin from both SharePoint and Teams, and how long you have to access those documents and restore them back again. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.